What is polar night and midnight sun in Arctic cities? Imagine living in a place where the sun never rises or never sets for months at a time. That's what happens in some Arctic cities because of how the Earth tilts on its axis. During the winter months, when it is coldest, the sun stays below the horizon in these cities for more than 24 hours. This period is called the polar night. It can last from a few days to up to 6 months, depending on how close the city is to the North Pole. For example, in the North Pole itself, there is about 6 months of darkness from late September to late March. During this time, the sky might show some twilight, but the sun does not rise above the horizon. People living there get used to the darkness by using artificial lights and finding ways to stay active and connected. This long darkness also makes it easier to see the northern lights, which are a beautiful natural display of colored lights in the sky. On the flip side, during the summer months, these same cities experience the midnight sun. This is when the sun stays above the horizon for more than 24 hours. It can be visible at midnight and stay shining all night long. In places like northern Norway or parts of Alaska, the sun can be up for nearly 4 months straight. The midnight sun begins around the spring equinox and ends around the autumn equinox, with the exact time depending on how far north the city is. During this time, residents often take advantage of the constant daylight by enjoying outdoor festivals, sports, and social activities. It can also affect sleep patterns because the bright sky makes it hard to tell when it's night. Both of these phenomena happen because of the Earth's tilt of about 23.5 degrees. When the North Pole tilts toward the sun in summer, the sun stays above the horizon all day and night. When it tilts away in winter, the sun remains below the horizon for a long stretch. Living in these conditions shapes the culture and daily routines of Arctic city residents. They adapt to the darkness by creating cozy indoor spaces and celebrating the return of the sun with festivals. When the sun is shining nonstop, they make the most of the long days with outdoor adventures and community events. These natural cycles are a big part of life in the Arctic, influencing everything from architecture to social customs. Understanding these phenomena helps us appreciate how people thrive in such extreme environments and how their lives are connected to the Earth's unique rhythms.